So as you can see, we showed you around the room, and then we had breakfast right now. I would say, I'm gonna give my opinion real quick, just because we do have to wrap it up. We actually have to check out in like less than 5 minutes, but yeah, that quick. This is a 11 a.m. checkout. Some of the hotels that we've been staying at are noon, so it's kind of different. But we are about 3 minutes away from Disneyland. We're very, very close.
Depending on traffic. Yesterday it took us like...
Even with traffic, it was like 7 minutes. It was really cool. The location itself, I would say, is definitely a 5 out of 5. I love it. The staff was, they were friendly. I would give them about a 3 to 4 out of 3.5. Let's say 3.5. The room itself, I loved it. I would definitely give it like about a 4 out of 5. It was amazing. It has, kitchen. It has couches. It's just a couch. It's a suite. So yeah. The price itself for a suite, I would say it's reasonable. It is a little pricier, but it's reasonable.
What we're used to paying for, but
For 2 nights, it's not bad. I would say for 2 nights, because we stayed 2 nights. The breakfast itself was, I would say, about a 4 out of 5. They had options. They had the waffle maker, which drinks. They had soda. Like, I know it's kind of weird, but yeah, like a soda dispenser. They had yogurts, everything you would want. So overall, personally, for me, I know Grace and I, we sometimes have differing opinions, but for me, this hotel was probably about a 3.5 out of 5, mainly because of the price. If we maybe got a regular room, it might have been a little less expensive. And overall, like, I would say the layout of the hotel is really difficult to get around. It's confusing. The parking is $25 a night. That's kind of a downside to me. So if the parking was free and included, I think I would give it a 4 out of 5, even with the complicated layout. But I liked it overall. I would stay here again if it was in our budget. I think that's the biggest thing, is it has to be in our budget.
I think I give it a 3 out of 5 as well.
3 out of 5. Did you disagree with any of the stuff that I said right now?
I agree with you 100%.
Okay, yeah, that's what I figured. We've been talking about it, and usually like that's what we'll do. We'll like talk about it, but overall, it's been great. The elevator's really jacked up here. That's one thing that we don't like as well, is that
the only place this is the only hotel we stayed at where we've taken the stairs.
Yeah, we've had to take the stairwell because it's that bad. Like, you'll hit the button and it'll go up and then down. It doesn't react like other hotels or other elevators where like if you press down, it's meant to go down. But we literally press down and then it takes us all the way to the 4th floor, and then we go all the way down, which is completely odd. I didn't like that. And also, one thing that I also wish they did differently, but they do offer it as long as you call, is that they don't come in and like, refreshen the room during your stay.
Yeah,
so you actually have to let them know.
That is something I feel like that needs to change. I understand why they do that. Maybe they might be short-staffed or whatever the reason may be. But honestly, I prefer that they come and clean and make sure that, towels need to be refilled. And that's just my personal opinion. If you guys don't mind that, then by all means.
Yeah, you just have to call, but I agree with Grace. I'd rather them do it because it like, we use washcloths, we use towels, we use the trash can. So it would be nice that they could like give us fresh sheets and stuff. But it's okay. But we gotta wrap it up because we do have to check out. But we just want to say thank you guys for watching. We're gonna keep coming with those hotel reviews. We also have one from the Comfort Inn near Universal. We have one from the ALO Hotel near Disneyland. So we appreciate you guys. And if you're enjoying these hotel reviews, let us know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.